thank you for the introduction, Jeff. As you said, I'm Marcus Hammond. I run the robotics activities we do at Kespry. We've been around, we're locally based, we're in Menlo Park, right near Facebook off of Willow. We've been around as a company since 2013 and primarily serve the construction and construction aggregates industries. So I want to talk a little bit more about where we fit in the market of in sort of the drone space, because there are a lot of companies, some of them represented here, like DJI. Let's talk a little about how we're positioned in these markets and what we're doing with computer vision on the technological side, and then a little bit of sort of where we see the applications for this technology going with regards to the type of work that we do. So I want to start from a very high level, and only a little pun intended with that, sorry. So the evolution of aerial data. We've been taking pictures from the sky for about as long as we've been in the sky. And this one starts with planes, but I actually, during the process of making this chart, or this slide deck, did a little bit of background research, and they actually, the oldest known aerial image was recorded in 1858, but the oldest surviving one is 1860. Totally tangential, but I'm a history buff, so I thought that was interesting. A guy was in a tethered balloon, flew above Boston, and so you can actually look that picture up online. It's pretty neat. So, but dating back to World War I and even before, you know, it's great to have a bird's eye view of things looking down. They did reconnaissance. You can do all kinds of mapping. For about 50 years, we've had satellite imagery that's been a useful tool on military, on weather prediction, on agriculture, all kinds of things. And then much more recently, we've had drones. And drones are nice because they bring some of the costs of collecting this data down. You can get high frequency data. You can get really quick data turnaround because you're able to take off and land at your site and act on that data immediately. So I want to take it from this high level and then zoom in a little bit more on the drone space in particular. And you can break it down into three sort of sectors, and I have them arranged from left to right by age of that market sector. So it really started with the military, and they've been doing surveillance and other tasks for quite a while on range and size, from little tiny hummingbird things to aircraft that you could fit a person in, but they just don't have seats. These are big, expensive, typically, because the military has the budget and they need the capability. And then you have the consumer drones. I'm probably blocking, so I'm going to step back a little until I have to change the slides. Consumer drones have been around for less time than the military drones, and I have actually the DJI here, so good job. And DJI has been doing some truly fantastic work in that space, and they're really a world leader, so I look to them for a lot of inspiration on what we can do with our system.